What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and download any movie, and that is going to be help you to go and download that movie in a high quality. So all of the movies are already there on some of the website which you have to pay for that. For example, I was scrolling on YouTube and I found out The Wolf of Wall Street, so I just wanted to download that one. And if you want to know more about me, that City of Ember is the best movie I would recommend, and this is the best and favorite movie of mine. So I really love City of Ember, and that's how it must have recommended to me on my YouTube page. So I'm going to go and download The Wolf of Wall Street. So I'm going to go and open up new tab and just going to copy and paste that one. Now if you want to go and download that one, what you need to do is, as being a web developer, I know how it works. Index of and the movie name, just hit on enter. You will get bunch of the website. You have to look for opening that one in another page. This link does not work. Open this one in another page. Now you have to go and look for the movie The Wolf of Wall Street. So it will start from the wolf. So you have to read all that. The Wolf of Wall Street is right over here. So I'm going to click on it. So this is the movie. As you can see, this movie is right over here. Just go and play a little bit. After you have seen that this is the same movie which you are looking forward for, click on three dots, click on downloads, and that is going to go and download The Wolf of Wall Street or whatever movie you're interested to download. And there you go. This is how you can go and download any movie which you like. Just go and add the movie name in front, index of, and just the movie name. Look for which movie actually helps you out to go and download that movie. This is the secret tip which not most of the people know and most of the people share with you. Just a tips. So that's about it, and I'll see you guys next time.